ATSAMD21J18A. This time we have to transmit from the USART transmit to the terminal. Then we build with the ASF basically to show the testing USART string on the terminal itself. This ASF documentation. What we do is we transmit a character from PC. I didn't use the wake up device, and the character will be displayed on the PC terminal. What it uses is PA22 as a transmit and PA23 as a receive. At the ATSAMD board, they don't have the PA22 and 23 in terms of physical pin. So this one is PA22 and 23 is a virtual pin to connect a display character to the PC terminal basically in a string form. Then you can see this is the code which I'm using. Sample code is over here, which is include the ASF header file. Then we got all the code going on here, and I do a slight adjustment on this. Now you can see here is my code. We use the USART baud rate as 9600. This I got a function prototype. Initialize the clock, initialize here, then we initialize a pin, then we get USART initialized, then we have a USART send string. And I got a handler, interrupt handler, which is circom3, and we can see this is a circom3 handler. We send the data through it. We have a receive start and receive data started as a false. Here going on is some boolean. Then we got pin set variable function. This is basically a static inline void which is involved with the library. I just take it out here. Got a long division involved with the USART calculation for baud rate. Here we got calculate the baud rate, which is 9600, involves some calculation over here. Then we get USART pin initialize, which is the PA22C and PA23C, which is the virtual pin in the ATSAMD21 board. Then we have a USART initialize. Okay, this is involved with what we have is we involve circom3 as a general clock as initialization here. Then we can have a circom3 initialize, receive, which is a pad1. This is pad1. Then we got a transmit as pad0, which is almost same as here. Then sampling rate as 0. Then interrupt clock, channel size. Then we set up to enable it, receive, and we start the frame enable here. Then we get system interrupt enable basically on the circom3. Then we send the string, which is the function USART send string here. Then we initialize, we set the USART send string as, which is constant character pointer to string buffer. Okay, as we will send this as string test USART. Then now we flash it, okay, as 9600. Then able to print a string to the terminal. Connect it, put in a circom form, connect to the circom. So now when I press the reset, we'll be printing out test USART on the serial terminal. Okay, baud rate we set as 9600. Then able to print a string to the terminal. I basically want to show how you can use USART to study the documentation of ATSAMD21 Xplained Pro. They have explained which one you have to do to, and if you want to refer it, you go to the ATSAMD21 documentation. They have all of USART house features to use it. Different types of feature. Basically, you can do a lot of things. You have two ATSAMD21 board, and you can transmit and receive with USART protocol. All for today's video. Thanks for guys for watching. I will be making more and more ATSAM video. Okay, so for this code, source code, I will be upload to the Github. It's available on there. I'll put my source code on there. Anything, just comment on the below. You can tell me whatever ideas or anything I can more on ATSAMD21, which is now current my focus project. Thanks guys for watching. See you upcoming video. Bye.